Hey, science detectives! Zoom in with me. Let's crack the case. Who do you think sees better at night? Us or owls? Zoom boom! Mini med school for kids. Humans versus animals. Who wins? Let's dive in. Boom! Story time! Owls have huge eyes for the dark. Humans see more rainbow colors in the day. Zoom! Science secret! Owls use more rods, and humans more cones. Rods help see in the dark, and cones are for colors. Different superpowers. Wow! Simple but powerful. Boom! Brain hack! Eat carrots and spinach for strong eyes. Wow! This is not just learning, this is leveling up. Zoom challenge. Close your eyes for 5 seconds. Now open them. Can you name 3 colors in your room fast? Case closed, boss. Zoom boom. Science wins. Mini med school for kids. Like, subscribe, and share. Grab your free tracker and worksheet. Link is below. Next time, get ready. Bats versus humans. Click my profile and watch the whole playlist.